Hi, I am Dr. Chava Anjaneyulu, Senior ENT Surgeon. I am working with the Asian ENT Care Center, which is located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss regarding the unhealthy signs of the oral mucosa, oral cavity. Oral cavity mucosa itself reflects a lot of problems in our health. Previously, many people will see your oral cavity, tongue, buccal mucosa and they will tell what is your problem. Mostly in olden days, many people suffers from the anemia, that is low blood hemoglobin. Anemia is the reason for many health problems, especially in females. Weakness, giddiness, other joint pains, so all the things. If we come into the conclusion regarding the unhealthy signs of the oral cavity, first and foremost is the bad smell and bad color of the tongue. That means brownish, whitish discolorization patches in the tongue buccal mucosa. This will reflect poor oral hygiene. Poor oral hygiene will allow the bacteria, fungus, all these grow and these will cause severe infections like gingivitis, teeth infection, dental caries, even bone, allulus, maxillary and mandibular bone infections. So, main here the signs of the unhealthy oral cavity are first brownish discoloration of the mucosa, white patches in the oral cavity, multiple ulcers in the oral cavity. Along with these things, there is sometimes there is a big ulcer with pain, that is another cause for the another sign for the cancer. Especially many people eat tobacco pan. Tobacco pan causes the oral submucous fibrosis. Oral submucous fibrosis, we see it as a whitish fibrous bands in the oral cavity. The other one is leukoplakia, that is white patches in the buccal mucosa. This is very important to diagnose and to see initially. Otherwise, over a period of time, these leukoplakias will convert into the cancerous conditions. The other one is erythroplakia, erythroleukoplakias. These are more vulnerable to, more prone to the cancer. So, these are the main important unhealthy signs of the oral cavity and tongue, mainly tongue and buccal mucosa. If you see the teeth, you show it as a brownish discoloration, that is very poor dental hygiene. Poor dental hygiene causes the dental caries, dental infection, gingivitis, loosening of the teeth. Chronic cases will lead to the even cancerous conditions. Especially in diabetic patients, if you see white patches with burning sensation and pain, if you see in the oral cavity white patches and patient will have burning sensation, you should suspect mainly candidiasis. Oral candidiasis is very important. If you don't treat early this oral candidiasis, this will cause a chronic candidiasis problem. Chronic candidiasis is very difficult to treat. It will stay for a long time. It will cause permanent changes in the mucosa. Chronic candidiasis, chronic inflammation will lead to the cancer condition also. Second, leukoplakia and erythroleukoplakia, whenever you find, take biopsy and remove that. Otherwise, it will persist for a long time. That cells will remodel and it will go to the cancer. So, always remove any white patches and send for biopsy. If there is any growth, ulcerative growth or any ulcer, you have to remove it and you have to do the biopsy, especially in smokers, alcoholics, tobacco pan chewers. Nowadays, we are seeing more of the white patches, submucous fibrosis in the oral cavity. In this condition, patient will have burning sensation and unable to open the mouth. Whenever a patient unable to open mouth, his oral hygiene, dental hygiene is very bad. So in these conditions, with laser treatment, you remove that white fibrous bands or cut the white fibrous bands, release the tension, and they will open the mouth, they will maintain the oral hygiene. More important thing is nutritional things, because if you take proper nutrition, it will cause the unhealthy mucosa of the oral cavity. Especially we have to take very balanced diet, adequate proteins, adequate fat, adequate sugar, adequate nutrients, micronutrients, adequate minerals, adequate vitamins. All these you get proper intake of vegetables and meat and fish and citrus fruits. All these things, if you take adequately moderate quantity all the foods, your overall nutrition is good, your problems will not occur because your immunity is good. Usually in vitamin deficiencies you find recurrent oral ulcers. You can see white ulcers with a lot of pain. These are mostly due to vitamin B deficiency and riboflavin deficiency. If patient has stress, constipation problem or gastritis problem, along with if they have the vitamin deficiencies, they will find they will have recurrent oral ulcers. So these ulcers we can treat easily by replacing with B complex and iron tablets and riboflavin tablets. Even iron deficiency is a very bad thing. In iron deficiency, our tongue will become very pale. Buccal mucosa is pale. Your epithelial cells are not good. Even in anemias, chronic problems, this less immunity, you will get more of bacterial and fungal infections like candida, white patches, brownish discoloration, very bad smell. All these will happen. So you have to take a proper diet. Proper diet is very, very important. Along with this, in diet you include your minerals also. Those mineral diet is also important, because vitamin D and calcium is very important to maintain teeth healthiness, strongness and jaw bone strongness. So you have to take those things very adequately. And you should reduce your sugar content, especially processed sugar content in the diet. Otherwise, if you take more of processed sugar, it will stay in the oral cavity, especially along the gums and teeth. It will cause dental caries, gingivitis, all those things, where there is a high chance of bacterial growth and fungal growth. So you have to take the proper, adequately normal food. Don't go for the processed carbohydrate diet. So this brownish discoloration, redness and swollen gums, ulcers, white patches, all these are unhealthy signs of the oral cavity, and this we should diagnose immediately, and we have to treat properly by nutrition, medical management, maintaining good oral hygiene.